He was very comfortable, sleep on soft mattress. Meanwhile, he slept in the sink. Breakfast. Guess what he eats? Wow! This is orange juice. Now it's his turn. What is this? He's mine. I am afraid it's a man. But drink up. It turned out to be nails. What is he eating now? Wow! Fresh egg. Shaped like a UFO. The eggs are really soft. May my food be delicious. What? Eggs? How can I eat eggs like this? Hurt. What is he eating now? Wow, cake! My food is always delicious, unlike him. Now it's his turn. Wow, gold! I can be rich. Wait a minute. How can I eat gold? My mouth can break. I have an idea. I want to sell gold to buy food. And he bought a Krabby Patty. I want to buy a Krabby Patty.
2,000 years later.
Will not extend for the Krabby Patty. From the smell is good. Wow! Beef. Bone. I got a bone. This is bad. I can't wait to eat beef. Looks like the bones are hard. Until he dies. Afternoon. What did he buy? Wow, he bought ice cream, soft and tasty. Wow, it's bricks. It's night. And it turns out he ate porridge. Porridge is very soft. How about him? What again? I'm bored.